Hello and welcome to day 19 of learning Python from ChatGPT. So let's get started. Okay, so let's do. I can move this. No, I can't. Okay. Oops. Okay. So, please give me today's lesson, which is lesson 19, day 19, with you acting like private tutor. Okay. Let's see, SQLite. Have we already done this? I can't remember. Okay, so let's first install the package. So we'll do file, settings, add, and it takes a while to load. It's not. Is this? Okay. I'm trying to just get the SQLite through. So SQLite. I can't actually see it. Oh, here we go. Oh no, is it this? Python provides the interface. Oh, it comes pre-installed. Nice. Okay, so let's get started. New Python file, day 19. Okay, so we first got to get import SQLite 3, and then we got to connect to a database. Okay, and it's .db. So create a cursor object to execute SQL statements. So we can do execute create table students, and then ID, integer primary key, name, text, age, integer, grade, integer. Okay, so okay. Execute insert into students, name Alice. It's so verbose. Okay. So cursor.execute select. Yeah, okay. So that's pretty easy. Rows equals cursor.virtual rows and rows. Execute update students. Set grade equals 11 where name is Alice. And commit assignments. So let's do this. So we're first going to need to copy this. SQLite3.connect to school.db. So after we got that, we need to create a table. So I'm just going to copy this. So create table students, primary key, ID, name, age, subject. So this will be text. Then we commit. I just remove the comments here. Insert at least 3 records. So I can do enter student's name, age, subject, maths, Michael. Okay, what's that? Oops, let's go back to this one. Then